everyone, this is Meredith with Organic Lines Art and Design. Today I'm doing some quick and simple hand art for Halloween based on my awesome little jack-o'-lantern earrings. Okay, let's get started. All right, so this is actually the second video I'm doing with Halloween hand art and these amazing markers from Creativity for Kids. So I love them because of their awesome brush tip. So you can do fine lines, or if you use the side of the tip, you can do, you can color in. And they're super duper easy to wash off. Even just hot water will wash them off if you rub enough, or just soap and water. But other than that, it stays on super, super well. Okay, so as I mentioned, I want to make the little jack-o'-lantern wearing the witch hat for my hand art today. So I'm gonna start with the orange. And just like I did when I created my ghost holding a heart-shaped pumpkin, I'm starting with a circle. And just like that. So since I want the eyes to look like they're glowing, I'm gonna add those in next, because sometimes when you try and layer a lighter color over a darker color, it doesn't work very well. So I'm putting my eyes in right now. And they're gonna be in the shape of hearts. And you can define them a little bit more later with the black marker. And I'm gonna do a little itty bitty nose. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is the hat. So I see a purple hat. I'm gonna do it just like my earrings. So again, it matches. But this, I'm going to put a little bit at an angle. So it's gonna be kind of tilted like that. So just like that. Comes around like that. And I'm gonna go ahead and just color that all in right now. Now, while I wait for the orange to dry, I'm gonna go back in and add the detail around the witch's hat using black. all set. Okay, like I said, quick and easy, inspired by my Halloween earrings, we got a sweet little jack-o'-lantern witch looking at a little spider friend. Thank you for joining me with Organic Lines Art and Design, and I hope you continue to follow me on my YouTube channel. Bye-bye.